I'll be showing you how to complete social media job and get paid for them. Okay, so I welcome you guys into this new video. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Okay, so you turn on the notification bell. Whenever I come up with new video like this, you'll be the first to watch it and get on it. Okay, so let's get into this video. So when you want to register, you will see the link in the description of this video below. Okay, the link is attached to this video below in the description, right? So when you come over to this platform, you read basically how this platform works. Okay, so you get paid for every social media job you perform here. So when you click on become a member, right? So you tap on there. Okay, so when you scroll down, so what you will do here, you have to put your name, put your username, you put your email address. Okay, so you put your password, right? And you select your country. Okay, you select your country where you are from, right? So you put your country code, whichever country you are from. So this platform is supporting many countries here. So if you see your country here, this work is for you. Okay, so you jump into it now and begin to make money from this platform. So for my case, I will choose Nigeria. Okay, so you put your phone number, you choose either you are male or female, you put your country, your date of birth, okay, and you put your state. So how you will get paid from this platform, you have to put your bank name, your account name, and your account number. Okay, so you click on I agree, then you click on complete registration, right? So when you are taken to your dashboard, make sure you complete the email confirmation, right? So when you are done confirming your email, then you now go back to login, right? So on this part, you will be taught on how to complete social media job and get paid. So when you sign in, so this is just the interface here, right? So you can choose from whichever one you want to start with, from the newest or the oldest. Okay, then you go for the high paying, right? You allow this page to load for the high paying. Okay, so you just wait for it to load up. So basically you can start with any job here, but for this purpose I'm going to show you how to get high payments from this platform. Okay, and meanwhile, if you are new, you can also register on the affiliate program. You promote your link, so from above you'll be able to see your affiliate link. Where you tap there to copy your link, if you refer others, you earn commission when they join. Okay, so when you're on this place, earn first commission on Owodaily Plus. So when you have done this part requires some purchase, some sign up. Yeah, sign up to piggyvest and earn. So when you are here, you'll be able to perform all these jobs and get higher payments on this platform. So for a day, you'll be able to earn thousands of naira, thousands of USD, thousands of cedis. So no matter the country you are from, you'll be able to earn from this platform. So all these jobs are available for you to apply. Okay, so if you want to begin with this, okay, this one says you should join a WhatsApp group, right? You join a WhatsApp group and you will earn a commission for that. So remaining one slot for this to complete. Okay, so what you will do is you click on apply. Okay, so when you click on apply, you wait for the interface to load up. Okay, so when this page load up, you click on start job. Make sure you read how it works. Okay, you read how it works, right? Save my contacts and join WhatsApp group. So you click on start job. Okay, since this job is broken, so what you will do is you have to go back and select another job. So this is how you do it. When you try a certain job and you notice that the job has been paused or has been closed for today, you have to go to another one, right? So this one says Facebook votes. Okay, so let's try this and see. Facebook votes, you click on apply. So you wait for the page to load up. Okay, how to vote, right? How to vote, click on the link. Okay, you click on the link, connect it with your Facebook, prove you are not a robot on the capture and tap on votes. Okay, so when you are done with this, you just click on start job, right? You click on start job. So you click on start job, so you click on receive. Okay, you click on vote, right? So what you will do is you will have to go back after you have completed this job. You go back and you submit. Okay, so submit test proof below or use upload button. So you screenshot the part that you have voted and upload it here, right? You screenshot and upload it here. Then once you do next, you just click on submit proof. Okay, so this is just how it works. And if you want to see your earnings, let's just go back and I'll show you some. Okay, so when you go back to the menu, you click on wallets. Okay, so if you wish to advertise in this platform, if you wish to advertise your product, whatsoever you want people to join, so you earn commission for it, what you will do, you just click on deposit. If you want to withdraw, you just click on withdraw, right? So you withdraw your earnings. Okay, so guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, so we'll keep on updating you on how to make money online. Okay, and if you have any questions concerning this platform, make sure you comment down below. Okay, so we put you along and guide you on how to get started with this platform. Okay, so this platform pays, and you just need to have a minimum 5,000 in Naira for you to take off your money from here, right? So I'll see you guys in my next video.